Algebra of matrices. To learn concept in algebra of matrices are first equality of matrices, then second multiplication of matrix by a scalar, third addition of matrices, and fourth multiplication of two matrices. Let us continue with first one, equality of matrices. Definition: two matrices A and B are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal if order of matrix A is equal to order of matrix B and corresponding elements of A and B are same. Elements of matrix A and B are same. That is, element Aij, it is same as Bij for all values of I and J. Symbolically written as A is equal to B. That is, matrix A and matrix B are equal. Here simple two conditions are: one is order of both matrix must be same, and second is corresponding elements of A and B are same. Example given here: observe matrix A, elements 15, 14, 12, 10, order 2 by 2. Second matrix B provided elements 15, 14, 10, 12, order 2 by 2. And one more as a matrix C, elements 15, 14, 12, 10, order 2 by 2. If you observe first order of matrices A, B, C, all these three matrices having same order, that is 2 by 2. But only check elements of matrices. Matrix A and matrix C, if you observe, elements of these two matrices are same as per positions. First element 15, 15. Second element 14, 14. Next row, first element 12, 12. 10, 10. Hence, only A and C are equal, not with B. A is not equal to B. Next, B is not equal to C. There is only matrix A and C are equal. So this is concept of equality of matrices. Matrices are equal with the two conditions. One is order must be same, and second is corresponding elements of that both matrices are also same. Check here one more example. If these two matrices of order 2 by 2 are equal and they have given here unknowns as a x and y, to determine these unknowns, find out value for x and y as a question. Simply given here these two matrices are equal, order same, elements are also same. Check first element 3, 3 same. Second 2, y means y value is obtained 2. Next row x and here element is 4, that is x is equal to 4. Last element 5, 5 given same. Hence we obtain x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Second concept, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If A is any matrix and K is a scalar, then matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. Multiplying each element of matrix A by scalar K is called scalar multiple of given matrix A, and it is denoted by K times A. Simple thing here, whatever be the elements given in the matrix, all elements are multiplied by that scalar K. If A matrix Aij elements of order m by n and k is any scalar. Then k times of matrix A is obtained by multiplying k to each element Aij. Every element is multiplied by k. Order remains the same as it is m by n. Here order of matrix A and Ka are same. Example, let us see. Matrix A provided elements in first row 2, 5, 1. Second row minus 5, 4, 6. Third row minus 1, minus 6, 3. Given as a question here, find out value for 2 times A. That is double of matrix A. So double is obtained by multiplying 2 each element of this matrix. Let us check. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times minus 5, minus 10. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. 2 times minus 6, minus 12. 2 times 3, 6. So every element of matrix A is multiplied by 2. We obtain 2A matrix. Order of both matrices is same 3 by 3. There is no change in order. So given sentence here, the order of matrix A and scalar multiplicative matrix A, that is Ka, are same. One more example, matrix B given here is of order 3 rows and 2 columns, that is 3 by 2. Value for minus 3 times B, that is every element of matrix B is multiplied by minus 3. After multiplying by minus 3 to each element, we get minus 15, minus 9, minus 3, minus 6. Observe. Last row multiplied minus 3, 3 and 0. Simply in matrix you have to multiply each and every element by that scalar. Next, third concept, addition of matrices. Two matrices A and B are of the same order and their addition is denoted by A plus B and is a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. Note, given A plus B is possible only when A and B are of same order. Both matrices having same order, it is compulsory for addition. Matrix A, elements Aij is order m by n. Second matrix B, element Bij, its order is also m by n. That is, two matrices A and B are of same order. They can be added. Resultant elements after additions, matrix is of order m by n. Same again. Let us see example. Matrix A, elements in first column 1, 4, 3, second column 2, 5, 1. One more matrix as a B, first column 7, 1, 4, second column 3, 2, 5. To add these two matrices, addition for two matrices, let us check elements. First element 1 plus 7. Second element 2 plus 3. Next row 4 plus 1. Next element 5 plus 2. Start with third row 3 plus 4 and last 1 plus 5. Now adding these elements, addition is obtained. 1 plus 7 as 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 5 6. Problems from exercise 4.5. Question here. Matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C. Three matrices are given. Show that value for A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is a commutative law. And second, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Brackets are here. Only change of brackets that is related to the associative law. In this problem, we have to show results as a commutative law and associative law with using matrices A and B. Let us see first one for addition A plus B matrix. Start for the proof. Given matrices A, B, C written first. Then matrix A plus B addition. A and B are in addition. Addition of these two matrices, adding elements as per the positions. 2 plus minus 1. Second, minus 3 plus 2. Next row, 5 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. Observe here. Minus 6 plus 0. And last 1 plus 3. Total values are obtained. 2 plus minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Minus 6 plus 0, minus 6. 1 plus 3, 4. Value for A plus B is obtained. Next, for right hand side, sum of matrices B and A. B plus A is equal to, check. Matrix B expressed here. A is also given here. Addition for these two matrices. Check from elements. Minus 1, here first element 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Second, 2 plus minus 3. 2 plus 5. Next, 2 plus minus 4. 0 plus minus 6. 3 plus 1. Total for this element is again getting as a same, check. Sum is 1, 7, minus 6. Next column, minus 1, minus 2, and 4. Observe from equation 1 and 2, these two both matrices are equal. Hence, from 1 and 2, we can write sum of matrix A plus B. It is same as B plus A. To prove second result, first taken LHS, that is A plus B added with C. We have already calculated A plus B matrix. This highlighted. Use here. Check. 1 minus 1, 7 minus 2, minus 6, 4. And plus third matrix C elements 4 minus 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 1. Addition for these two matrices, both having same order. Addition is obtained 1 plus 4. Next, minus 1 plus 3. Next, 7 plus minus 1. Minus 2 plus 4. Minus 6 plus minus 2. 4 plus 1. Totals are obtained 5. Then next is 6 minus 8. Next column 2, 2, and 5. This is value for the A plus B added with matrix C. Now for right hand side, we have to calculate A plus B plus C is in the bracket. First need to find out B plus C matrix. Applying step. Now B plus C. Matrix B is here. C is here. B plus C matrix addition. Element wise. Addition for elements. Addition is obtained 3, 1 minus 2, 5, 6, 4. Now this B plus C matrix is added with matrix A. So A plus of B minus C is equal to elements. Check after addition of these two matrices, answer is getting 5, 6 minus 8, 2, 2, 5. Same. So from these equations, third and equation fourth matrices equal, we can write result as A plus B plus C, it is equal to A plus of B plus C.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.